Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get a ChatGPT premium account for free. The process is a bit challenging, but with patience, you'll succeed. So let's get started. First, go to the description of this video, where you'll find a link, copy that link, and paste it into your browser to open it. For your convenience, I'll pin the link in the comment section so you can find it easily. Once you open the link, a web page will load. You'll need to wait for about 25 seconds. After that, you'll see a continue button. Clicking it the first time might take you to an advertisement, ads. If that happens, press the back button in your browser to return. After clicking the continue button, the web page will take you further down. You may need to wait another 5 seconds or so. Getting the link on this website can be a bit challenging, but don't worry, it's not too difficult. If an ad appears during this time, press back to return. Next, you'll see a Get Links button. Click on it. The first click might take you to another ad. After viewing the ad for a moment, press back to return. Click Get Links again. If another ad appears, view it briefly and press back again. Notice that a click time is being counted here. When you see the click time reach 2, click Get Links one more time. This will take you to another website. On the new website, you might see text in Chinese. Don't worry, use your browser's translation feature to translate the page into English. You'll see various groups such as paid, free, etc. Click only on the groups labeled Pro. After clicking on a Pro group, you'll be prompted to enter a password. Like me, enter any password and click OK. That's it, you'll now have a usable ChatGPT premium account. Friends, that's all for today's video. I hope by following this process, you'll easily get a ChatGPT premium account. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll try to respond. Thanks and see you in the next video.